Guys, in this video I'll show you how to see your Facebook creation date inside the Facebook app. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app like that. Click onto the three horizontal lines and then click onto the gear icon. And then here you need to scroll down and find access your information. So where it says your information, click on access your information. Click on continue. Scroll down and click onto your information and permissions. And then where it says access your information, click onto that. And then on this page, under your information, click on personal information. And there you go. Profile information, your account creation date. The date you created your account is July 14th, 2023. So yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching this video until the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.